dimension we need to add over there. So this will be 10.4. So 0.2 mm clearance over here, 0.2 mm clearance over here. So with respect to that, we have created 4. This is the construction. So this is how the hole will be. If you just check with this now, the clearance we'll get is something like 0.2. Okay. So why we need to create this circular? If you create the straight line, if you just check, if you create a straight line, vertical, tangent to this, okay, and we'll try to check the dimension with this, it will be not 0.2. Okay, it will be less with that. Okay, here you can find will be showing 0.2 with the tangent, but you can check the minimum optimum dimension will be at this point. Okay, so this is a 0.175. So this is, we need to avoid to have the square periphery of locator, rather than we need to prefer have circular. So this we can make as a reference dimension. And double click, make it as a reference dimension. So this is how we can to be create. Okay.